Good day everyone, my name is BEH CHAW MING and the title for my final year project is Smart Route Planner version 2 which was supervised by Dr. Wong Lee Pei. Without further ado, let's begin with the introduction of this project. This project is customized for Biscuit company which is located in Melaka. This project is to develop a route optimization system to plan the delivery and pick-up routes for the Biscuit company. From the previous project, a prototype of the route optimization system is developed, and this project Smart Route Planner version 2 is an enhancement of the prototype developed. Next, let's look into the problem statement of this project. There are 4 problem statements defined for this project. First of all, there are no advanced weekly planning. From the prototype developed, the admin can only do a daily route planning at a time. By having a weekly planning function, the admin can have a view of the schedule for the whole week and they can make the necessary planning as it is needed. In the second problem statement is the delivery and pickup is not done within the time window. As the route planning that was done previously is only with the consideration of the vehicle capacity, this may lead to the incomplete delivery at the end of the day. By taking into consideration the traveling time needed and the time window provided by the customers, the schedule of the delivery can be more accurate and can help to reduce the problems of incomplete orders by the end of the day. And the third problem is the assignment of tasks does not emphasize on workload balancing. It is said so because the assignment of the tasks are done manually by the admin, and this may lead to unfair job assignment among the drivers, and this will cause a dissatisfaction between the drivers. And the last problem is the lack of analytics for the delivery performance of the company. The admin might need to work more on providing the analytics for decision making and planning. For the proposed solution, there are 4 new features which was defined. The first feature is under the automated route planning, which is the weekly planning. It is to provide an optimized route for the week selected by the admin. And the second new feature, which is under the automated route planning, is the delivery and pick-up with time window. It is actually to schedule the route according to the time window for each destination, and the drivers will be provided with the time for each of the destination in their mobile application. And the third feature which was defined is the workload balancing feature, and it will be done by calculating the total distance traveled by the drivers. And then the last features that was proposed is the dashboard, which will provide the analytics in the table or chart form. This is the system architecture which is used to develop the web application and the mobile application. The admin can access to the system by using the web application through their laptops or personal computer with the connection to internet, and the drivers can access to the information of the delivery through their mobile application with the connection to the internet. And the web application is hosted by using the XAMPP server, and the data is stored in the phpMyAdmin database. Next is the impact and benefits of this project. First of all, this can save time of the logistic team without the needs to perform the route planning manually. And secondly, this project can provide a route plan which can help to improve the delivery and pick-up efficiency by considering the vehicle's capacity and the time windows provided by the customer. And finally is the distribution of tasks among the drivers are distributed fairly based on the total distance traveled. Next, let's proceed to the project demonstration. The features which will be shown for the web application of admin is the admin login, the dashboard, the input orders and customer information, the insert and update of vehicle information, the weekly route planning, viewing of assignment of the drivers, and the rescheduling features. Okay, this is the web application for the admin. First of all, the admin will need to log in into the web application by using the username and password. After the admin log into the web application, the admin can view the dashboard. In the dashboard, the admin can get the information of the total number of orders, the number of orders completed, and the vehicles dispatched for the particular day. Besides, the admin can also get the cumulative number of postponement for the particular month. The admin also can get to view the percentage of the completed orders in a bar chart for the past 6 days. Other than that, there is also information of the top 5 customers which make the most orders for the particular month and the drivers which travels the longest distance for a particular month. Next is the order information. The admin can enter the order information of the customer, which is the customer company name, the date of delivery, the start time and end time of delivery, as well as the capacity of the order. The start time and end time of the delivery is the time window for delivery which the drivers must reach within this time window. Next is the customer information page. This is where the admin has to add the new customer information. The information includes the customer's company name, address, and the customer's contact number. Next is the vehicle info. The admin can add the new vehicle information into the database through this page, and they can also edit the capacity of the vehicles, and as well as deleting the vehicles when the vehicles are no longer in use. Next is the route planning. The admin can perform a route planning by using the weekly planner. The admin can first select the starting date and it will plan the routes until the end of the week, which is Sunday. So for example, I select 1st of July. So after I search, a list of orders until the 4th of July will be displayed. And then the admin will need to check whether it is complete, and after verifying it is complete, they can click the button plan to plan the route. Okay, after the output is displayed, they can view the full schedule through the assignment section, which is the weekly schedule. Through the weekly schedule, we can see the time window and the estimated time of arrival, which is based on the time window given by the customer and the estimated stop time at each of the destination. So the assignment of drivers is done such that the drivers which travels with the least cumulative distance for the month will be assigned to a route. However, the admin can also change the assignment of the drivers if there are drivers which are unavailable during the day of assignment. So the admin can actually edit the assigned drivers. Under the driver section, the list of the drivers is sorted such that the drivers which travels with the least distance will be on top of the list, where the admin is expected to select from to make sure that the workload assignment is balanced among the drivers. At the end of the day, the admin will need to check whether there are any orders which are incomplete. So the admin needs to go to the reschedule page, and under the reschedule page, the admin can select the date of today, and then there is a list of today's orders, and if there are any incomplete orders, an edit button will be activated. So the admin can click on the edit button to actually postpone the orders. So for example, when the admin postpone the orders to the 4th of July and click the button update, it will have a message saying that there is no available space for delivery. It is because the system will check whether there are any available space in the vehicles for a particular day. So if there are no more available space for delivery for that date, so the admin will need to choose another day. So after clicking the OK, it will redirect back to the rescheduling form, so the admin will need to choose another date. So for example, I choose the 3rd of July and I click update. So the message order is rescheduled successfully when there are available space in the vehicles. So to view the rescheduled orders, we can go to the weekly schedule, and we can see on the 3rd of July, the Yamazaki Sega order from the 1st July is already assigned to the 3rd of July's route. Next is the demo of the mobile application. The features of the mobile application include driver login, view assignment, view delivery information, and update delivery status. Okay, this is the mobile application for the drivers. First of all, the driver will need to log into the mobile application to view their assignment. So they should enter their username and password. And log in. So after the login is successful, the drivers now can view their assigned vehicle and the list of assignments. To get a detailed view of the assignment information, they should click on the list of assignment. And they can see from the map the point of the delivery. So the point in blue is the starting point and ending point of the delivery, and there are other stops which is labeled the stop number. So the list below here will show the information of the delivery destination. So it will show the company name, the time window which the driver should reach within, capacity of the orders, and the status of the delivery. So after the delivery is done by the drivers at the customer side, the driver should click on the customer's information and update the status of incomplete to complete. So by clicking the button done and yes, it will update the status successfully. So it can be seen that the status of the delivery is complete. That's all from me. Thank you.